So, welcome. Today I will show you how I prepare my trades. I do this every day in the morning, and today is Sunday, so end of the month, right? It's August 30, 31, 31st. I don't know how to say it. And I'm just showing you how what I do and yeah, how I prepare for, in this case, euro US dollar. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you don't have a paid version of TradingView, because on the free one you only can use two indicators, you can go into ig.com. It's ig.com. You don't have to write this, and you make an account for a demo. And for me it's in German, but for you it will be in your language, and you can put up, I don't know how much, but at least 3 indicators, so you don't have to pay for it. It's not as good as TradingView, but for this, what I will do, how I prepare, it's perfect. But I still have the paid version of TradingView, so I will use this for now. So what I do is I have a clean chart. I have the Bollinger Bands, I have the RSI and the MACD. So what I will do is first I'm going into the monthly chart, then I check the latest close. Well, because it's Sunday, so I have to make it tomorrow again, right? But I'm having time to show it for you now. So tomorrow it will be a green one. I mean, I can do that now. For usually you take the last candle, which would be here red, but we take it because tomorrow is the new month. I will take this green one. I'm going to my Excel sheet, and the close red is -1 and the green is +1, of course. Now, or just 1, right? So then I check the MACD. MACD is +1. That's right. The RSI is neutral. If it's up here, I would say sell, -1. If it's down there, +1. If it's in the middle, it's neutral. So RSI neutral, and the Bollinger Bands are +1 because showing strength. Okay, that's right. That's cool. So let's go into the weekly. For the 1 week, because it's the end of the month, I choose the last candle here, but usually you choose this one, right? So it's a -1. The MACD -1, kind of neutral, but I would say -1. The more space you have between the lines, the more clearer it is. This would be neutral here, but for this now I would say MACD -1. The RSI again neutral, and the Bollinger Bands I also would say neutral. Let's go into the daily. Yeah. +1, the daily. The MACD, let's say it's, well, that's, you can You take what you want, it's on your how you see it. But for me, I would say it's neutral, the MACD. You can take +1, but I would say neutral. The RSI as well is neutral. The Bollinger Bands is neutral. Neutral. Oh, right. So the 4 hour, because new month, I will take this. Usually you take this one. Now I take this. -1, -1. The MACD is neutral. Neutral. The RSI is neutral. Everything is neutral. The Bollinger Bands is +1, I would say. +1. So now we go into the 1 hour chart, which is my anchor chart, which means this is the chart that I'm looking the most, the 1 hour, the 15 and the 5 minutes. But you will see. So it's the 1 hour, it's a -1. Oh yeah, on the 1 hour, the 50 minute and the 5, I don't have the latest candle close. We don't need that. So what we need is MACD, RSI and body. MACD is into crossing, so I would say -1. Yeah. The RSI on the lower time frames, like 1 hour, 15 minutes and 5 minutes, I read the RSI a little bit different. If it also crosses the 50, it's the white line here. This would be, if it crosses down, it's a -1. If it crosses from down to up, it's a +1. So this is, as you can see, it's down here. It's a -1. The RSI -1. And the Bolly is neutral, as you can see here. So now into the 15 minute. The 15 minute, the MACD is clear -1. -1. The RSI is, now you can say it's from here on you can say it's +1 because it's close, but I would say -1, but here is like it will go up, so it's a +1 for me, because if it crosses the 20, it will probably go up again. So the RSI is a +1. And the Bollinger Bands -1. That's right. Now we have the 5 minute. It's clear -1 on the MACD. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Did they made an update or something on the Excel? So the RSI, it went up, it's coming down. This is like a -1. I will explain it maybe better Sunday in a video. -1. So what what I have here is, it tells me now the dip is bullish. We are buying, yeah, but it's a weak buy. For now, it's a sell. It's a strong sell. So deep buy, did buy. For now, it's a sell. The status is scalp, right? The grade is a C grade, which is all right. You know, I go mostly for the A. A is the best setup. B is it's okay. The B is also good, and C is like okay. You know, a short scalp. So the trade is sell. Red light, green light. I didn't make now, but I will make it later. I will show you how this works. And now what I do is I will do this again tomorrow in the morning, when for the euro I'm trading like the the Frankfurt exchange, German exchange, opens at 8 Central European time. So I wait 1 hour, right, until 9. Then I make again from the 1 hour to the 15 to the 5 minute, or I just make the 1 hour and the 15, and then I will see what is telling me, right? And then I have, but I could go in and already with this setup, I would short the market, the euro, and well, that's it. So I forgot something. I think I had to cut it. I forgot something, which is I also do, of course, support and resistance lines. Let's go to the monthly chart. This goes very quick. Let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands here. Let's go to the line chart. And I'm on the monthly. I'm going back like, I go back like 1 year. So now it's tomorrow it's September 1st. I go back to August 24. But let's take a horizontal line. I will make all these. So I make that one white. So like here, but I will take this one for the monthly. This area. Resistance, support. I think by now you should already know how this works, but I will still show you, right? I will take this one here and here, here and here, and I will take this one, and of course here. Now I'm going into the weekly. For the weekly, you can go back to like a couple of months, like 3-4 months. That's enough. For the weekly, I will put this one here. Change the color. You can choose the color you like. For this one, I'll put it here, here. Probably. Let's put this one there. This doesn't look, yeah, I mean, it didn't went up that much. And the last one is the daily. And for the daily, I mean, you don't have to go that much back, but this area is all right. For the daily, I will use this one because here, here, and here, it went above it, but it's just one time. Change the color, orange. Can here a little bit down, maybe. They're kind of in the middle of this one and this one. We have those here. You can also choose this one here. This is an area, yeah, of support and resistance. And the strongest support and resistance are the white ones, the monthly, the second strongest, the weekly, and the third strongest, the orange ones, the daily. So I can put up here as well one for the daily, right? Now I go back to the candle chart. I go back to the 1 hour chart, which is my main chart I'm trading on. And here you can see it, support, resistance. And well, that's it. This is how I prepare for my trades. Like I do this every day. And if you want to have this Excel sheet, you can get it in my Discord. To get into the Discord, you have to pay for the membership. I don't know, I think it's 30 euros or something like that for the Discord. And you will have it forever. I will also put modules in the Discord how you learn this system, and it will tell you to sell or buy. It's for day trading, day trading. It's perfect. So thanks for watching. Until the next time.